Chirori. Nyapa Chichinyao. Bavasa Senyao. I'm done.
We are tired. Keta is busy. You know, they have suffered all the money in the assembly. You know, we can no longer tolerate this nonsense. So we need to overhaul change of the assembly. We cannot continue like this. We need total change in the Keta Municipal Assembly. They should bring back our land. We need change in the Keta Municipal Assembly. We are tired. Mr. President, come and save Keta constituency now. Thank you all.
Paro Jomario. Na Boba Quo, a Chino Tohama da Boba. Manya Kadik Beda Kelashamokana Boba Equama Tigaba. I fear me as she Romudoha. Over 50, over Chimukupi Homa Yashi, Tanukata, ticket a Homudo.
To the law. He gave land to his stepmother, his manager, his two brothers, Ivan Koshiga, Makumato, Kojo Baba, and many more. This can only be described as an act of wickedness, callousness, and cruelty. In further to this, some of the government appointees and elected assembly members were compromised and also have shares in this looting. Other beneficiaries of the land booting include Mr. Degoro, Scoop Up, Honorable Gakpeji Jolly, Sadako, Global Evangelical Church, Honesty Store, Kakali Consult, CEO, Honorable Kathleen Gilbert, undisclosed amount. Premier Computer, CEO, Honorable Papa Goba, undisclosed amount. All the above beneficiaries must also be investigated to determine the veracity or otherwise of their claims. Awarding of contracts in the assembly. Every MMDA is the representative of the central government as a way of decentralizing development of the media fraternity. My beloved Anglo sons and daughters, one thing we have realized throughout our painstaking investigation is that Honorable McAfee Kofi Wanya, the current voter regional chairman of the ruling New Patriotic Party, is the brain and the masterminder of the fall of our dear Keta municipality. It is interesting to know that he served for 4 separate terms as assembly member elected for Angrogan Lashibi, where he was the development subcommittee chairman before the separation of Keta and Anglo-Gan respectively in 2019. He then went back to his mother constituency, Anglo. Missing PWD fund. My dear brothers and sisters, it is not so sad and pathetic that even the money released for people with disabilities was also shared and chopped themselves. Manya ni kata kama ba gaika okona myato nuomito ba ameoka nanaka mo nyamo oga figaya aga rugaya manya mblania. Our relentless effort in revealing the truth shows that about 300,000 budgeted for persons with disability in 2020, which the administrator of the District Assembly Common Fund transferred an amount of 221,869.44 pesos to the account. The sad story is that only 70,000 out of the said amount was given to them, was Honorable MCE, the Development Subcommittee Chairman, shared the rest booty among themselves. Failure of the technocrats, when we were hit by this havoc-wreaking COVID-19 pandemic, the government through its finance ministry released an amount of 166,280.62 pesos to the assembly. This said amount was supposed to help fight the virus, save the local businesses, and to ease the pressure on the ordinary Anglo-Sans and doctors. But because of self-seeking and parochial interests of faceless individuals, this money cannot be accounted for. Our investigation revealed that Ahamu Construction Limited and Elicam Ventures were beneficiaries of this daylight and naked robbery by the assembly. The two companies were awarded contract to supply installation of 10 300-liter poly tanks and drilling and mechanizing of 2 boreholes, totaling 96,000 Ghana cedis. These monies were paid for no work done under the watchdog of the MC, Honorable Alpha Godwin, the Municipal Chief Director, Coordinating Director, Mr. Dekpo, and Development Subcommittee Chairman, Honorable Makafi Wanya. They could not incompetently dictate this looting, especially Honorable Makafi Wanya, who brags about his 19 years longevity in the assembly. Our further checks indicate that an amount of 111,000 was also missing from the COVID-19 relief fund. Question, where is the money? These billion questions are only been answered by those self-aggrandizing and cruel individuals parading themselves as it is being manifested. We want to boldly state that until Honorable McCaffrey, Kofi Wanya, and his cronies and assigns are booted out of Keta, this municipal will sink and sink forever. We want to assure the people of Keta that we will go every length to bring finality to this issue. He has declared that he, Honorable Makafi Kofi Wanya, will never leave the Keta Municipal Assembly, and that it will be over his dead body. We want to assure him that he will leave and leave for good. Long live Keta, long live Anglo-Land, and long live Ghana.